There you go. Rear leg front kick. Ready? Kick and put it back. Ready? Kick! Nice. Kick! Nice. Kick! Nice. Kick! Nice. Kick! Gotta control it there, Goldbelt. Kick! Gotta go back. There you go. Good job. Widen your stance out. Kick! Beautiful. Kick! You're anticipating. Watch your pad. Just listen. Kick! Hear the command and then do it. You have to do it right when I say it. Hear it first and then do it. Kick! Beautiful job. Knee up. Think about your knee lift. Kick! Good job. Widen your stance out, Jay. Widen. There you go. Kick! You're a lot more stable with it. Widen it out. There you go. Kick! Good job. All right, come up on the ball of your foot. Rolling stance. Yeah, I gotta keep that up. Right. Stand on your toes. Ready? Kick! Keep your knees straight up. Go on the ball of your foot. Heel up. There you go. Kick! That's it. Good. Where are we at? Running stance. Reverse running. So you're going to pivot. Bring your left foot up. There you go. Side stance. Line your toes up. Shuffle upside kick. Shuffle back. Shuffle upside kick. Shuffle back. Keep your head up, green belt. Shuffle upside kick. There you go. Shuffle back. Keep your eye on the target. Shuffle upside kick. Shuffle back. Good job. Shuffle upside kick. Shuffle back. Wow. Don't even look like it's misplaced. Shuffle upside kick. Shuffle back. Shuffle upside kick. Shuffle back. Good job. Shuffle upside kick. Shuffle back. Nice. Shuffle upside kick. Shuffle back. Good job. Go back. Shuffle upside kick. Don't turn your head. Shuffle back. Keep your head on the target. Shuffle upside kick. There you go. Shuffle back. Shuffle upside kick. Keep your knee up. Shuffle back. Knee high. Shuffle upside kick. Nice, my girl. Shuffle back. Good job. Don't bunny hop. Shuffle. Ready? Shuffle upside kick. That's it. Shuffle back. Excellent job a little bit. Foot replacement. Shuffle is a foot replacement. Shuffle upside kick. Good job, Jay. Shuffle back. Put your foot down after you kick in the front. Ready? Shuffle upside kick. That's it. Now, that foot needs to land more out here. Now shuffle back. There you go. Ready? Shuffle upside kick. Good girl. Shuffle back.